टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू, मुझे एक काम करने के लिए मुझे 2480 रुपीज लगा। अंडरस्टैंड? मैंने 24, मेरे पास जो काम करने के लिए मैंने काम को लगाया, फेंसिंग करने वालों को, उन्हें पूछा मुझे 1 मीटर को 24 रुपए देना पड़ता है, 24 रुपीज देना पड़ता है बोल के उन्होंने पूछा। इज इट राइट? सो पूरा काम करने के बाद ही टुक 2480 rupees. That's why we don't know what is the circumference of the circle. मेरा खेत कितने मीटर है, that is first. हम क्या करना चाहिए, 1 मीटर को 24 ले तो बोल के उन्होंने एंड में आके 2480 रुपीज हमारे पास से लेके गया, लेकिन हमको पता नहीं है कि उन्होंने 2480 रुपीज लेके गया, लेकिन हमारा खेत का जो सर्कमफेरेंस कितना है बोल के हमको पता नहीं, कितना मीटर है बोल के पता नहीं। एक और हमको इधर सेकंड केस, द कॉस्ट ऑफ द प्लगिंग इज इक्वल टू 0.50 मीटर स्क्वायर। 1 मीटर स्क्वायर को प्लगिंग करने के लिए हमको कुछ नाट डालते ना, जो राइस का नाट दीजिए या कौन सा भी डालने के लिए, प्लगिंग करने के लिए हमको कितना रुपये चाहिए, 8 रुपए है, में से 50 रुपीज हम क्या करना पड़ता, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर लगाने के लिए देना पड़ता। मीन्स वी शुड बी फाइंड आउट द रेडियस। हम क्या करना चाहिए, रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर। देन सर्कमफेरेंस पहला फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट करना, उसके बाद हमको क्या मिलेगा, रेडियस मिलेगा। जब रेडियस मिलने के बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल बोल के हम कर सकते हैं। एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल करने के बाद हमको उधर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर को इतना लगे तो प्लगिंग, टोटल प्लगिंग करने के लिए हमको कितना रुपीज मिलेगा बोल के मालूम हो जाएगा। नाउ circumference of the circle, circumference of the circle is equal to total cost upon per meter cost, per meter cost. Then total is equal to 2480 upon here 24 is 24. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and next 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, and here 0. Next 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, remainder is 0. Means answer came here 310. 310. I want to see once again. Here total cost is equal to 5280 is there, sorry, 5280 is there. Here I want to take 5280 rupees here, students. Downside is what? Downside is 24 rupees. I wrote correct only. Next here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 sixes are 12, 2 twos are 2 fours are 8, and here 0. Next 2 sixes are 12, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, and 0. Next it is came 1320. Then divide by 6, and next 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. And 6 twos are 12. Here 0. Means circumference is equal to, answer came 220 meter. 220 meter. Once again, the circumference of the circle is equal to total cost and per meter cost. 5280 divided by 24, it is came 220. Then circumference is equal to this much. Next step here, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 220, then r is equal to 220 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Why I wrote like that? 220 is there. Pi means what? 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Is that all? This 2 is become denominator, 22 also be denominator, 7 is becoming numerator. That's why here R is equal to this much K. So 22 ones are 22, 22 ones are 22. It is become 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Radius is equal to how much K? 7 5s are 35 meter. This is the radius. I thought you understood, dear students. Radius equal to 35 meter K. Next, we will find out the area, dear students. Area is equal to pi r square. Then area is equal to pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 35 is there now. 35 into 35 2 times. Then 7 on the 7, 7 5s are 35. Then area is equal to 5 to the 10, carry 1, 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 into 35 isomers. Then we got here 11 5s are 55, carry 5, 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 5 is equal to 38, this 0 as it is. This is the meter square. Understand, dear students? The area of that field is equal to A field का एरिया कितना हो गया 33,850 मीटर स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टैंड, इतना हमारा फील्ड का एरिया हो गया. उसके बाद प्लगिंग का कॉस्ट ले रहे हैं. सो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0.5 rupees. Then here 3,850 meter square is equal to here 3,850 half rupees is there now. That is I am writing 1/2. 1/2 is nothing but that is a 50 paise. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Answer came 1,925 rupees. So total प्लगिंग करने के लिए the cost of the plugging is equal to 1,925. The cost of plugging is equal to 1,925. This is our answer. I thought you understood, dear students. First हम क्या करना, उन्होंने 1 मीटर का कॉस्ट दिया है. टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द फेंसिंग इज इक्वल टू 5,280 रुपीज. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द कॉस्ट ऑफ द प्लगिंग इज इक्वल टू प्लग करने के लिए 0.550 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. देन सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द सर्कल इज इक्वल टू टोटल कॉस्ट बाय पर मीटर कॉस्ट. 5,220 divided 24 it is came 220. So 220 is the what? Circumference. Circumference place I wrote here 2 pi. R is equal to 220. R is equal to 220. This is 22 by 7 is there no? It is become 7 by 22. 2 is become a denominator. When we will do the simplest, we will get radius equal to 35. Then already know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. Then 7 to 7 5 is 22 5 is equal to 110 into 35. Both multiplication is equal to 3,850. This is the area of the circle. Then 1 meter plugging, the cost of the plugging of 1 meter square is equal to 0.5 rupees. Then total 3,850 meter square is equal to how much? 3,850 into 1 by 2. Half a place 0.5 plus I took here 1 by 2. It is came 1,925 rupees. The cost of the plugging is equal to 1,925 rupees, dear students. I thought you understood this example question. Let us discuss about the next exercise questions. Yes, dear students. So now question number 1 is there in the exercise 5.1. First question is there, dear students. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter here, 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. This is the question. Okay, let's look at the board, dear students. Here, this is the one circle, and this is another one circle, and here one big circle. Okay, so this is the circle 1, circle 1 and circle 2 and circle 3. This radius, here also radius. This is the 9 centimeter and this is the 19 centimeter. And circumference of these two circle sum is equal to, क्या क्या पता है? Okay, देखिए students. The radii of the two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Respectively, find the radius of the circle which has the circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. इन दोनों सर्कल का circumference फाइंड करने के बाद इसका एक circumference इसका एक circumference फाइंड करने के बाद दोनों का सम इसका circumference को इक्वल करते हैं. इक्वल रहे तो what is the length of the radius? He is asking what is the length of the radius. This is B, here O and C. उन्होंने पूछ रहा है वो रेडियस क्या है बोल के, उसका रेडियस क्या है बोल के उन्होंने पूछ रहा है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. He is asking this radius. Okay, so now we will find out here solution. Look at the board dear students, very easy is there. Here circle 1 is equal to circle, here circumference of the circle 1 is equal to, already we know that 2 pi r dear students. So already 2 we know that pi you keep it like that only. Radius is equal to what? First one is 9 is there. So now it is came 9 to the 18 pi dear students. This is the first answer. So for circle 1 circumference is equal to how much came? 18 pi came dear students. 18. So we are taking another choice here. 18 pi came. Okay, this is the first answer. So similarly we are taking here circumference of circle 2 is equal to what? This is also formula same. 2 pi r. R 2 we are taking. Radius 2. Here 2 into pi and radius 2 is equal to what? 19. 19 2s are 38 pi. This is the second one. This is the second circumference. This is the second equation. Yes. Now, question in the condition. According to the question, the third circle perimeter is, circle 3 perimeter is what? The equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Then here circumference of the circle 3 is equal to circumference of the circle 1 plus circumference of the circle 2 dear students. Circumference of the circle 3, थर्ड सर्कल का circumference क्या है कहते? फर्स्ट सर्कल का सेकंड सर्कल का सम है कहते. The first one is came 18 pi, second one came 38 pi. Now, so 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 dear students. Carry 1 and 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. It is came 56 pi. The circumference of the circle 3 is equal to how much came? 56 pi. Then now we are finding radius of the circle. Now look at here dear students. Here circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So here you take like that. 2 pi r is equal to circumference of circle 3. Circle 3. 2 is there into pi into radius is equal to, this is came 56 into pi. 56 into pi. So next step dear students, here this is the radius is equal to 56 into pi upon here 2 into pi dear students. So these 2 pi are cancel, pi get cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1 16, 2 8s are 16. Now radius is equal to 28 centimeter. Now we want to check it is correct or not. So radius is equal to 28 centimeter dear students. I want to check the answer in the textbook. Exercise 5.1 is there. So 5.1 exercise 5.1 first question is there. First question 28 centimeter is our answer is right here, students. I want to explain one more time here for beginning. First question say question what we asked here. The radius of the two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. तो क्या पूछ रहा है? दो सर्कल का, एक छोटे सर्कल एक बड़े सर्कल का रेडियस दिया है, उसका दोनों का सर्कमफेरेंस को भी ऐड करने के बाद दैट इज द इक्वल टू द थर्ड सर्कल का सर्कमफेरेंस को इक्वल है। बोले तो थर्ड सर्कल का जो रेडियस क्या है बोल के पूछ रहा है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज सर्कल 1 सर्कल 2, दो सर्कल सर्कमफेरेंस सम इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? Is equal to circumference of the circle 3. That's why circumference of the circle 1 is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi into radius equal to he is given already 9. 9 to the 18. This is the equation 1. Circumference of the circle 2 is equal to 2 pi r. 2 means 2 into pi into 19 because radius is 19. 19 to the 38 pi. This is second. And circumference of the circle 3 is equal to circumference of the circle 1 plus circumference of the circle 2 because according to the question. Then 18 pi plus 38 pi is equal to 56 pi, dear students. Then we know this is because this is the 18 pi and this is because 38 pi and this is because 56 pi. 56 pi. Now we will find out the radius of the circle 3. The radius of the circle 3 is equal to 2 pi r is equal to circumference of the circle 3. Then 2 pi r is equal to 56 into pi is there. Then r is equal to 56 into pi divided by 2 into pi. Pi both are get cancel. 2 on the 2 to the 4, dear students. Remainder 1 16. 2 8 is 16. Means radius is equal to 28 centimeter, dear students. I thought you understood very well. Let us go to the second question, dear students. Yes, dear students. So welcome to the second question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, dear students. 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So respectively, find the radius of the circle having areas are equal to the sum of the areas of the two circle, dear students. So previous question, in the previous question he given what? The sum of the circumference of two circle given or not? So here is asking areas of the circle 3, dear students. This is circle 1, this is circle 2, this is circle 3, and he is asking find the radii of, this is given and this is also given, OA and OB, and he is asking OC, he is asking. This is given. First one is this is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. He is asking this is question. Okay. So now we will discuss about the, we will do the solution of this question. So first we will find out area of the circle 1. Solution, dear students. Solution here. Area of circle 1 is equal to, is given, already know that pi r. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square, dear students. So is equal to here, pi value keep it as it is. First one is radius 6 is there, 6 square. Now it is become 6 is 36 pi square. Pi 36 pi centimeter square. This is the first equation. ये first answer है. So similarly, we will find out the area of the circle 2. Here, area of circle 2 is equal to formula pi r square 2. Here, radius I am taking. Radius is 2, dear students. Then here, pi value as it is in the bracket. 8 is there. 8 centimeter 12. Then now it is become 8 8 64 pi centimeter square. This is the second layer, students. This is the second. So now, according to the question, dear students, the sum of the areas of two circles is equal to the area of the circle 3. कंडीशन में क्या है? दोनों सर्कल का सम वो थर्ड सर्कल का एरिया को इक्वल है. वैसे इक्वल है तो थर्ड सर्कल का रेडियस का वैल्यू क्या है बोल के द लेंथ ऑफ द रेडियस इज इक्वल टू ही इज आस्किंग. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम राइटिंग हियर एरिया ऑफ सर्कल 3. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल 3 इज इक्वल टू हियर एरिया ऑफ सर्कल 1 प्लस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल 2. Then we got here, this is 36 pi is there, 36 pi plus 64 pi is equal to, we got 100 pi centimeter square. Understood? I thought you understood. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 pi centimeter square, dear students. 6 plus 4, 10, carry on, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3 is equal to 100 centimeter square. Then this area is equal to came here, this is 36 pi centimeter square, and this is came 64 pi centimeter square, and this is came how much? 100 pi centimeter square. Now we will find out the radius of the circle, dear students. Now look at here. Now here pi r square, dear students, pi r square is equal to area of circle 3. I am taking this side, dear students. Here pi r square is equal to area of circle 3. Then here this is pi radius square is equal to here 100 pi is there divided by pi. Understand? The area of the circle 3 is equal to 100 pi is there, that is here. This pi is become a denominator. Now both pi get cancelled. The next step, dear students, here r is equal to root of 100. This is square is there, r square it has become r root, then radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we got here answer. Radius of the circle 3 is equal to, this is the 10 centimeter. Therefore we should be write it downside. Here the radius of circle 3 is equal to how much centimeter? 10 centimeter. I thought you understood very well, dear students. One more time I want to explain this question. Very easy is that the radius of the two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter is there respectively. Find the radius of the circle having the equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. So now here I did that, I draw the diagrams. Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3. Circle 1 radius is 6, circle 2 radius is 8. We should find out the radius of the circle 3, and then we find out that here area of the circle is equal to 36 pi centimeter came, and area of the circle 2 is equal to 64 pi centimeter square came, and then area of the circle 3 is equal to sum of the area of the circle 1 and circle 2, this came 100 pi centimeter square. Then now we are finding the radius of the circle is equal to pi r square is equal to area of the circle 3. Then r square is equal to 100 pi upon pi. This denominator multiplication is becoming denominator. Both pi get cancelled. R is equal to root of the 100. Radius is equal to 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle 3 is equal to 10 centimeter, dear students. I thought you understood very well in the second question, dear students. Okay, let us go to the now third question. We will do the homework, dear students. Let us try it. आपको नहीं आए तो हम बताएंगे. In the example question, I want to read here figure number 5.3 depicts and the archery Tarzan marked with his festival scoring regions from the center of the outward of the gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region is respecting gold score is 21 centimeter and each of the bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So find the area of each 5 scoring regions. So उसके अंदर फर्स्ट गोल्ड का डायमीटर 21 है, उसके बाद क्या होता है 10.5 इंक्रीज होते जाता है, वो क्वेश्चन कर लेके आप आइए। उधर 3 कितने कलर हैं? फर्स्ट यू शुड बी फाइंड आउट द व्हाट इज आस्किंग ईच ऑफ द फाइंड द एरिया। फर्स्ट गोल्ड का एरिया फाइंड करो, रेडियस लेके, डायमीटर इज गिवन 21, देन 10.5 means it is become a 21 plus 10.5 is equal to it is become 31.5। उसका रेडियस लेके आप करते जाओ, ऐसे इंक्रीज करते करते क्या करना है, इसका इजन करते जाना। दिस इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन यू विल डू द होमवर्क डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, लेट अस discuss about the question number